In the first exercise, we will create a Watson sentiment analysis app with Swift. And as we can see here, we will begin by creating a single view application in iOS with Swift. And that is the most common type of applications for mobile computing that we do in iOS. We will then create a graphical user interface and then add the IBM Watson iOS SDK to our project. This is very important because this allows us to reach out to the Watson services in Bluemix and pull in information from them to our smartphone. We will then create the Watson service and get the key token for that, establishing communication between our smartphone and the Bluemix services, and then run the app to access the Watson service and display the output on your smartphone. Prerequisites really are that you have a MacBook running OS X El Capitan and the Xcode 7.3 development environment or later, and obviously also a Bluemix account. And we will be working with the Watson sentiment analysis that allows us to gauge the sentiment based on textual input. And finally here we see the application layers. We see the iOS application at the top, which is the Watson Developer Cloud SDK for iOS in the middle, which allows the iOS application to talk to Watson services at the bottom, and the Watson services are running on the Bluemix cloud. And that really is all we need to get started. So now let's see if we can get started and do some coding.